Welcome to week 5 of our programming series. In this video, we'll dive into the powerful world of functions and modules. Functions allow us to organize our code into reusable blocks, while modules provide a way to organize and share code across multiple files. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a solid understanding of functions, parameters, return values, and modules in Python. So, let's get started. Introduction to functions. Functions are an essential building block of programming. They enable us to encapsulate code into reusable units, providing modularity and code organization. By using functions, we can improve code readability, reduce redundancy, and make our programs more maintainable. Defining and calling functions. In this segment, we'll explore different aspects of defining and calling functions. We'll learn about various types of function parameters and understand the scope of variables within functions. By defining functions with different parameter types and calling them with different argument values, we gain flexibility and control in our programs. Function parameters and arguments. Passing arguments to functions is a fundamental concept in Python. In this segment, we'll dive deeper into different ways of passing arguments, including positional and keyword arguments. By understanding the nuances of argument passing, we can write more flexible and adaptable functions. Return values. Return values allow functions to produce results that can be captured and used by other parts of the program. In this segment, we'll explore returning values from functions and handling functions without return statements. With return values, we can create functions that perform calculations, process data, and provide meaningful outputs. Modules and libraries. Modules are a way to organize code into separate files, while libraries provide pre-written code that can be reused. In this segment, we'll understand the concept of modules, create custom modules, and explore the vast Python standard library and third-party libraries. By utilizing modules and libraries, we can leverage existing code, share code across projects, and extend the functionality of our programs. Congratulations! You've reached the end of week 5's lesson on functions and modules. You've learned how to define and call functions, work with function parameters and arguments, handle return values, and harness the power of modules and libraries. Keep practicing and exploring these concepts, and you'll become a proficient Python programmer in no time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified about our future programming tutorials. For more resources and exercises, check out the links in the description below. See you in the next video.